So you guys have been asking to see a Tundra. We finally have one for you. This week, our client Tyler drove up from Sun Prairie, Wisconsin in his 2014 Toyota Tundra, getting a 4.5-inch BDS, some fuel assaults, and some ridge grapplers. Let's get it started. Alright, so it is like 4:50 on Friday, nothing like cutting it close to the edge, but we did finish up Tyler's Tundra. Unfortunately, he caught a shift down at the PD, so he had to send his parents up to get it, but hey, we got it done and that's what you guys are here to see. So we're gonna go check out the truck. As you remember, on the 14 Tundra, we did the 4.5-inch BDS, Fox shock upgrade in the rear, got the 20x9 plus 20 fuel assaults on here, 295/60/20 Nitto Ridge Grapplers. It's everything you could want a Tundra to be.